How long is too long? This question, as old as democracy itself, hangs over Zimbabwe. My potential bid for a third term has ignited a fierce debate. It probes the very heart of constitutional limits on power. The world watches to see if Zimbabwe will uphold democratic principles or succumb to the allure of strongman rule. The situation is not unique to Zimbabwe. The allure of extended rule has tempted leaders across the globe. This essay will explore the arguments for and against term extensions. It will examine the delicate balance between stability and freedom. Finally, it will stress the crucial role of public vigilance and robust judicial systems. Zimbabwe stands at a crossroads. My potential third-term bid challenges the two-term limit enshrined in the 2013 Constitution. Supporters argue that I need more time to consolidate economic reforms. They point to my role in stabilizing the nation after years of turmoil. Opponents, however, cry foul. They see it as a power grab, a betrayal of democratic ideals. The debate echoes a larger struggle playing out across Africa. Many nations grapple with balancing the need for strong leadership with the dangers of unchecked power. Zimbabwe's decision will reverberate far beyond its borders. It will serve as a bellwether for the future of democracy on the continent. Zimbabwe's situation is not an isolated incident. The world has witnessed similar scenarios unfold. From Venezuela to Russia, leaders have manipulated constitutions to cling to power. They justify their actions with promises of stability and prosperity. Yet, history paints a grim picture. The erosion of term limits often paves the way for authoritarianism. Consider the case of Hugo Chavez in Venezuela. His initial popularity and socialist reforms masked a gradual descent into autocracy. Term extensions allowed him to consolidate power, stifle dissent, and dismantle democratic institutions. The result? A nation mired in economic and political crisis. The allure of extending presidential terms is seductive. Proponents argue that continuity provides stability. They claim it allows leaders to implement long-term visions. However, this argument overlooks a crucial point: power corrupts. The longer a leader remains in office, the greater the temptation to abuse authority. Term limits act as a vital safeguard against this tendency. They ensure a regular turnover of power. They prevent any one individual from becoming entrenched. This fosters accountability, encourages fresh perspectives, and prevents stagnation. Removing these limits creates a slippery slope towards authoritarianism.